Well, here we are, the video by the pool in the pollinator garden. And this monstrosity that is covering up me, which is hard to do, is called a candelabra. And it's a big old plant, one stem, not even supported at all. Cool thing about this is when it's getting near dark, this plant goes to bed. See all these leaves folding up. And it's kind of a cool plant, and it has lots of company. Of course, we have Cooper the cat, who always shows up at video time. And we got a lot of pollinators out here. It's in the evening, about 7:30. Not gonna see many flying around. Two bushes, well, a candelabra plant, and a big old lantana we've had for 23 years. This one was pretty small and it has expanded. Got a lot of their stuff going on. We put zinnias all around here because I had a lot of space to fill up. So I just pulled them out of the bed over there and planted them here when they were about 2 inches tall. And they've done really well. Put a lot of space up. Don't know whether I will keep these or go to something smaller like these profusions, which might be more fun. These kind of get out of hand. They're big old ones, but they're pretty and they're big. Got a lot of these planted. I forgot what they are. Coral beans right here. This is a vine. Pretty. These are hollyhocks. Have not bloomed. Might not. Could be the 2-year variety. And Cooper, yes, you are just so cute. Look at these. Those are cool. These are yellow cestrums. And pollinators love them. Got some celosias out here, blanket flowers. Look at this. Really pretty. This is a Bastani plant here. Let's see what it is. Henry Dillberg salvia. This will get to be about 40 by 40. That'll be fun. Some beautiful, beautiful plants out here. And I can't actually tell you that I know exactly what they all are, because there was a big plant sale in Guthrie and I loaded up on them at 75% off and stuck them in here. And I'm going to find out how they do. We'll adjust accordingly. But the pollinators love them. I like them. Got kind of some more over here that are a little different. This is going to be planted right here, and it's a pink swamp milkweed. That'll get the butterflies going. And this, another Bastani plant. Hummingbird shrub. Look how pretty he is. Planted him too close. So I got to either trim this bad boy back, which I need to do, remove him. Over here, another Bastani plant. This one's cool. It is Japanese dianthus. That's really neat. Again, these are zinnias, small variety. Brazilian verbena is this one. And there's just a lot of cool things out here. Fun to walk in the middle of it. There's no path, but might consider that. Kind of cool. This thing was a barren wasteland earlier in the spring. You can still see some cardboard sticking up in places where I put it down. So this is a lasagna bed, technically. Put a whole lot of compost underneath, put the cardboard on top, and then use my bucket to bring in buckets and buckets of topsoil. Works pretty good. Over there is another garden. It's cool too. And then behind the basketball goal, another one. So there you have it. It gets a lot of sun, gets shade now, which shades us from the harsh rays of the sun when we're in the pool. Got about a week or two of that, and that's going to be over. But in the meantime, we will enjoy it while we got it. Y'all be careful. Happy fall. Go Pokes.